Okay, so today we're going to be showing you how to push and load snapshot updates to client accounts. So if you're not familiar with what a snapshot is, basically you can take an entire account and literally copy it or duplicate it and push it to a new account inside of your system or another system. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to do that. So you're going to want to be on the agency level, and then on the left-hand side, you're going to see account snapshots. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find the snapshot that you would like to update that you've already sent to an existing account. For example, I'm going to go to this one called Snapshot Account Coaching. And you have the plus sign here to create a new account using this snapshot. You have the refresh snapshot option. And in this case, we want to push an update to linked locations. So this means that I've already installed this in another location. We'll go ahead and press that to proceed, and you'll see linked locations here. It's going to show you all of the locations that your snapshot is currently in. You have the ability to actually skip specific sub-accounts if you don't want to send the updates to those accounts, or you can keep them all selected by select all or deselecting the ones that you do not want to send the updates to. So we're just going to scroll down and hit proceed. Once you hit proceed, you then have another set of ability to change the assets that are going to be pushed to those accounts. So for example, if I just want to update a specific calendar, I can actually skip all of those calendar settings and just select the one calendar that I want to push an update to those accounts for. I'm going to go back to select all. So you can go through here and you can be very selective on the things that you want to push the updates to. I'm going to go ahead and leave them all checked for now, and I'll go ahead and hit proceed. It's then going to look for conflicts. So it'll identify specific conflicts that you can choose to overwrite. So we can just go ahead and click on this plus sign here to expand. And you'll see that there are a few conflicts that have been identified. We can choose which assets we actually want to overwrite, or do we want to skip these? So if I want to skip these, meaning that I want to leave what's currently existing in the account that we have already added previously, then that's what I'll do. If I want to overwrite something, then I'll click on overwrite to overwrite that specific conflict. So I'll just go ahead and scroll to the bottom and hit proceed. So now you're going to get a notification letting you know that this information is being copied. You are now updating that specific sub account. And once it's completed, you're going to get a notification. So on the top right, you're just going to click on the notification bell icon, and then you'll see a notification here that says that the snapshot that I've loaded has been loaded. So that's how you'll know. If you have a lot of changes, let's say that you have actually decided that you want to skip a lot of things or you want to overwrite specific things, this process could take longer. So do keep that in mind, but you'll be able to see that it's complete right there in the settings.